Hello guys, this is Raj channel and today we are unboxing the Opta smartwatch. Let's see what inside the box. Don't laugh, okay? This is the condition, primary condition. Oh shit, it's not opening. We are stuck here. We have to do something. Oh shit, there are two staples if you can see. Shit man. It is very difficult job. I don't know how to do it. Let's try it from the other side. Now we have a small pebble which we will use to cut the tape. Okay, just be patient. Okay, I am opening it as soon as possible because I know you guys are too curious to watch the watch. Sorry, actually I'm little bit nervous, so my English may fluctuate a bit, so you guys have to adjust. It's still not opening up. What the hell is happening? Shit man, it is very difficult. I'm sorry guys for delay, but now it is opening. We have here I think it's warranty card or just a, I think it's a bill. It's okay, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Where the material? It's not opening guys. Why? Yeah. Oh, finally I've got breakthrough. This is called hard work. Security seal, do not accept if seal is broken. seal तो broke है यार. Okay, now just tilt the camera and it's being very difficult for me to shoot the video. Where should I keep my mobile phone? That's fine. Look, opta one place to another. Good, very good. Okay, let's do it slowly. We have a box here and we've got another box inside the other box. There are a lot of boxes like a maze. Look, this is a lid and now we can see the watch here. Encircle the pillow, looking quite nice actually. Here it is the black screen which is totally touch and excuse me, I think the product we give me a second. What else we have here? पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि ये घड़ी खुल चुकी है। नहीं यार, खुली तो नहीं होगी, सील बंद थी। क्योंकि वो ऊपर सील हल्की सी टूटी हुई थी, फिर ऊपर से ये इसके ऊपर होना चाहिए, शायद डिब्बे में से हट गया हो। चलो कोई बात नहीं। अब इस बॉक्स में यूज़र मैनुअल है और इसकी USB है इसको चार्ज करने के लिए, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये ब्लैक स्क्रीन है, आसपास सिल्वर की यहाँ पे आउटलाइन दी हुई है इसके डायल में, और ब्लैक स्ट्रैप है दोनों तरफ। पीछे इसकी यहाँ पे चार्जिंग पॉइंट है, अगर आप देख रहे हो तो। सॉरी, ये वाला ऊपर वाला यहीं कहीं होगा मतलब। अब इसको एक्चुअली चालू वालू करके देखना होगा। आई डोंट नो हाउ। ओके, दीज आर दी बटन्स। I think it's like mobile. It is currently switched off. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I can change things with my fingers. Weather, time and all. Okay guys, I think it's enough for today, and whatever update I'll have, I'll post it on my channel. So make sure to like and subscribe my channel. It's now called Raj Army. Yes, Raj Army. So guys, hope you like this video, and see you.